In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy your Instagram link, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To begin, you're going to click on your Instagram profile and click on the three lines in the top corner. Now you can click on QR code. It's going to give you an option to actually screenshot this, or if people in person want to scan this to see your Instagram. But you can also see this where you can click this and share your profile due to any apps or to message. You can also copy it straight from here. Now, another option is to actually just click on copy link. As you can see at the bottom, it says link copied to clipboard. Now, the final option is to actually just click on share profile on your profile and it'll bring you right here instead of having to click the three lines. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.